Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials. Today, as I posted earlier today on my community line, on this September we'll be going to be focused like on BTC or crypto market analysis so that we can see some of those markets that we can dive in and will be profitable for us during this month. Okay, as you can see, the crypto market actually is in trouble. If you look at it currently from the past few days, the market has been seriously depreciating, has been seriously declining. That is, all those coins have been seriously going down. So the question is it the right time to dive into the market? Is it a new opportunity that is coming up? That's the question, right? Okay, that will take us to see how long this has been going on. How long it has been on, like going positively, and how long it has been declining, like going down negatively. So before I dive into this very video deeply, if this is your first time coming across to this my amazing channel, please do well to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this. Okay, so your comments, likes, and share are highly important. If you do have any question, do not keep it to yourself. Do not hesitate to drop it at the comment sections, for I will attend to you as soon as possible. So today we'll be looking at the father of all cryptos, which is the BTC. Okay, looking at the BTC from the past few hours. Looking at the BTC from the past few hours, or should I take it for like a 1 day? Click on the 1 day. Let's look at it from how it has been doing for a 1 day a day ago. Okay, looking at it backwardly, in a day ago, BTC was roughly 65. It was on $65,000, right? But today we're reading here at 54, which is roughly minus $9,000, minus $10,000 has been removed. That is that is poor, right? Very poor. That is to show you that is going down for the past 24 hours. Okay, looking at how low it has gone for that past 24 hours is 48, which was a huge loss. But one thing I admire on this sports trading is that each time you're trading on sports, you don't have much issue than when you're trading on derivatives or future trading. Because if this was future trading now, a lot of people have been knocked out. A lot of people have lost their purchasing power. You can see a lot of people have lost a lot, much more of money. Okay, but one thing about the sport is that the moment you buy, it can be declining. Just wait, hold on, be patient, and it will come up again. Okay, so let's still look at it in the past 24 hours. Let's see what has been happening. So for the past 24 hours, it has been dangling between 48 and 53. This was when, let me see this. These are also still on the past. This one has been long. So it has been dangling from 48. It moves toward to 65. These are recent trades. These are recent trade though. Let's go back to 15 minutes. So in this past few hours, it has been dangling from 53 to 54. 53 to 54, almost 55. Right? Almost 55. So what you'll be checking now, like real now, what you'll be checking now is that how long has it been dangling between that 53 and 55? So, okay, what will now be happening here? Will it be going up or it will still continue declining? Let's look at it from the previous market today. It has done so well earlier today, being it seventh. It has done so well earlier today, and it has declined as well a bit. That is, has been moving between 54 and 53. Moving between 54 and 53. 53 low, 54 high. That is over 54 high, and below 54 low, right? You can see. So this is one of the major time and also a major opportunity for you to dive into this market. But it's still going to decline a little, but it's definitely going to take a very high move tonight or this weekend, just this weekend, I think, because it has left its positions of 65 for this, and now it has declined seriously. It has declined like reasonably. Okay, so all you just need to do now is to stand by to dive into the market for a huge profit. But my advice to all of us is that do not be greedy. The moment you secure a little opportunity in the market, please stay away from the market, pending when another opportunity arises. So BTC is what we'll be looking at in the past few days, in the next few days, sorry. So after this, we're going to come back to check out again. Does this analysis work? Does it like really works? Will it go above this 40, this 54? Okay, now if you're diving into this market now, we're marking our market rate to be 54.2. I'm going to go need to take the screenshot of this now. By the time this trade is over, we're going to come back here to do a lot more. So do want to drop a question if you do have any question regarding this very class or any of my previous class or any other thing you want me to talk about. And do not forget, like and share. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.